Hello and welcome to the day 2 of breakfast series. Today we are making Aloo Poha, a light flavorful dish that is perfect to start your day. Here is the list of ingredients we need for this recipe. Start by rinsing the poha gently for 2 to 3 times and drain all the water. Then add in salt to taste, half teaspoon of sugar. You can adjust the sugar based on your taste and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix this gently. This will help flavor the poha right from the start. Lastly, add water and set it aside to soak and soften for a few minutes or until the poha absorbs water and turns soft without getting mushy. Here are a few shots of the ingredients we'll be using today for the recipe. Next, in a pan, heat some oil, then add in diced potatoes and roast them until they are golden and tender. Next, start by heating 2 teaspoon of oil in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, add in 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them splutter. Next, add in green chilies and chopped ginger and saute this until the raw smell is gone. Add in few curry leaves, again saute it for a while. Next, add in finely chopped onions. Cook it until the onions turn soft, adding a little salt to taste. Once the onions are well cooked, add in our roasted potatoes and give it a good mix. Then add in soaked poha and gently mix to combine everything very well. Add 1 tablespoon water, cover and let it steam on low flame for just a couple of minutes. Now, give everything a good mix and squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and top it off with some chopped coriander leaves. And turn off the flame. That's it. Our aloo poha is ready to be served. Serve it hot and enjoy. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you tomorrow for day 3.